Yung karsada din na madaanan. Workshop. Ayan. Bali. Pasok pa kaing hangin. Ay!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Efren. I'm a designer and I also love building DIY projects. And in today's video is gagawa lang ako ng quick update kung bakit hindi tayo nakakapag-upload. So yeah, basically matagal tayong nawala for I think at least a month or so tayong nawala. That is because nagbiyahe tayo from here sa Visayas papuntang Mindanao kasi for almost 2 years is hindi tayo nakauwi sa atin. And after na makuha ko yung aking second dose for the vaccination of this COVID thing is nakapag-desisyon na kami ng aking mga kapatid na nandito sa Visayas na umuwi sa Mindanao dahil for almost 2 years, gaya ng sabi ko is yung natira sa aming bahay is si mama lang at si papa. Kaya nang naging fully vaccinated na kami is umuwi na kami sa Mindanao. And of course, dahil umuwi ako sa Mindanao is yung workshop ko is naiwan. So wala akong magagawang kahit na anong DIY projects. And also, yung asawa ko and also yung anak ko is hindi sila nakasama sa akin kasi travel restriction, medyo mahihirapan tayo pag marami tayong kasama. So yeah, so ako lang yung pumunta ng Mindanao with my brother and also my sister. And also tamang-tama rin na umuwi kami kasi darating na yung Pasko. And dahil for that span of 2 years hindi kami nakauwi. And silang mama and papa lang ang yung nasa bahay and walang kasama kasi kami apat na kanilang mga anak is nasa malayo. 3 kami dito sa Visayas and 1 is in Manila. So 3 lang kami nakauwi. At least kahit na hindi man nakauwi yung isa is kahit papano this Christmas is nagkasama kami. And yeah, so basically that's what happened. Kaya wala tayong nagawang DIY projects or hindi tayo nakapag-upload this past few months. Kumbaga nagbakasyon lang tayo and relax that whole December. And also the only work that I can bring into Mindanao is my professional work, which is designing building and houses. So and also the challenge about that one is I cannot bring a laptop because my laptop there on the top is broken and it's not turning on. So that's why I brought this whole monstrosity at my back. But I did not bring any monitors for that trip. So yeah, and also here's a clip of my things that I brought with me to Mindanao. 2 bags with my clothes. This cardboard box is this whole CPU computer that I am using here in the studio, and I brought it to Mindanao for me to be able to work with my professional works and projects. So yeah, so that's basically what I brought with me. And also I also brought my bike to Mindanao as my service. Yun ginamit ko papunta doon. So here's also some clips of that. Bye-bye, Dumaguete. And also this whole December, there's a bad thing happen into the whole Visayas itself. So may dumating na bagyo, which is Odette. And one bad thing that happened in the entire Visayas is there's a lot of destruction. So that did not exempt my workshop. So yung workshop ko is nabasa, nilipad yung walling na ginawa ko na modular. So here's a clip of the workshop that's being destroyed, not totally destroyed, but then the wallings are being flown away by the storm Odette. And also most of my power tools and equipments in the workshop is wet. So yeah, so here's a video.
Wala na ang mga puno. Sus. Yung karsada din na madaanan. Workshop. Ayan. Bali. Sa kaing hangin. Ay!
So dahil nung kalagitnaan ng December is nasa Mindanao ako, and during the storm Odette is wala ako dito, so wala akong magawa, but then to hope that most of my power tools and most of my loved ones here in Dumaguete or in Visayas are okay. And yeah, thank God lahat naman ay okay, but then yung workshop ko lang talaga is yung tinamaan. But then now that I am here in Dumaguete in Visayas, I have to fix everything, my workshop, the wallings, the water flow and everything, and also my power tools I have to check and also test everything na still working pa rin para hindi naman masayang yung pera natin na ininvest natin for those equipments. And also may i-upload din ako na ibang mga video during my visit and vacation into Mindanao, because nag-travel kami an adventure papuntang Bukidnon and Cagayan. So that's a different video. So those are just a little video of me doing some vlogs for my vacation in Mindanao. Yan guys, Arcaninoa, sobrang laki. Bumaba ako ng kaunti. Yan, Arcaninoa, it's really big. So yan guys, yan lang yung update natin for this whole month. Yung whole December ko is just a pure rest and vacation lang muna. And I know naman kasi na this coming 2022 will be a more challenging and will be doing a lot of work in this channel, DIY, adventure and everything. And also I will try my best to upload a lot of video for this channel DIY project and also my DIY adventure and everything. And also I would like to say thank you sa mga nakasubscribe dito sa ating channel, and dahil as of the moment I think nasa mga 6,900 subscriber na tayo. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for everything. Thank you for everyone who's watching, and see you for the next exciting episode for this YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you and peace. Bye-bye.